Hello guys, welcome to my channel Biography of Great Scientist. I have prepared a new video for you with a new scientist. The name of scientist is Al-Biruni. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like my video. Thank you. Let's start the topic. So I will tell you about Al-Biruni scientist. First of all, we will see biography. Abu Rihan al-Biruni was born in Khwarizm, a region adjoining the Aral Sea, now known as Karagal, Pakistan. The two major cities in this region were Kath and the Durangia. Al-Biruni was born near Kath, and the town where he was born is today called Biruni after the great scholar. Before 1995, when he was 22 years old, he had written a number of short works, one which has survived in his cartography, which is a work on map projections, as well as describing his own projection of a hemisphere onto a plane. Al-Biruni showed that by the age of 22 he was already extremely well read, for he had studied a wide selection of map projection invented by others, and he discusses them in the treatise. The comparatively quiet life that Al-Biruni the comparatively quiet life that Al-Biruni led up to this point was to come to a sudden end. It is interesting to speculate on how different his life and contribution to scholarship might have been but for the change in his life forced by the political events of 995. The end of the 10th century, the beginning of 11th century was period of great unrest in Islamic world, and there were civil wars in the region in which Al-Biruni was living. We know certain dates in Al-Biruni's life with certainly further describes astronomical events in his works which allows accurate dates and places to be determined. His description of an eclipse of the moon on 24 May 997, which he observed at Kath, means that he had returned to his native country by this time. The eclipse was an event that was also visible in Baghdad, and Al-Biruni had arranged with Abul Wafa. War in the region were to disrupt and the scientific work of Al-Biruni and Abu Nasr Mansur, and eventually both left Khwarizm in about 1017. Muhammad was extending his influence over the region from his base in Ghazna and made a demand of Abu Abbas Mamun in 1014 to have his name inserted into the Friday prayers. This was a signal that he wanted an end to Mamun's rule, and he was making bid for the region to come under his control. Al-Biruni studied Indian literature in the original, translating several Sanskrit texts into Arabic. He also wrote several treatises devoted to certain aspects of Indian astronomy and mathematics, which were of particular interest to him. Al-Biruni was amazingly well read, having knowledge of Sanskrit literature on topics such as astrology, astronomy, chronology, geography, grammar, mathematics, medicine, philosophy, religion, and weights and measures. Muhammad Mahmud died in 1030, and he was succeeded by his eldest son Masood, although not before difficult political situation in which the two sons of Muhammad Reed tried to follow their father as ruler. Clearly, Al-Biruni was unsure who would succeed for the choose not to give a dictation, not give a dedication in his India, which appeared at this time. It appears clear that despite his many works on astrology, Al-Biruni did not believe in the science but used it as a means to support his serious scientific work. So guys, this video was I hope this video was useful for you. I give you some basic information about the great scientist Al-Biruni. In the next videos, I will introduce some more scientists. Till then, please keep in touch with my channel. See you in my next videos.